Billingham, I know you think that we brought you here to do a little end-of-season review interview, but the real reason we're here, I'm so excited to present you with the Young Player of the Season award for the Adran Premier. Huge congratulations, I'll give that to you. How do you feel?
Thank you. Well, I'm incredibly happy to have this award and I'm really grateful for it. There's many young players in this league that deserve this as well, but obviously, yeah, I'm just incredibly happy and I wouldn't have won this award without my teammates and my coaches. It's just, yeah, I'm really happy.
And what a season it's been for you guys. I have to ask you about that Welsh Cup final and that goal that you scored. Lily, you absolutely stole the show that day.
Oh, it's just an experience that I'm never, ever going to forget. I just loved every moment of that game.
After that game, we were all raving about you, so I can't wait to see what the future has in store for you. Huge congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.